Welcome back to my channel, and now I am going to download driver Lexmark this here for Syria. This here for you type the driver download, and please why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website. You click here. Okay, this here for the printer. You scroll down. You looking the title driver and support. You click here. This one. Okay, you scroll down, you look in the title driver and download, you click here, you paste, you model the print, and you click the find driver and download, click here. This here for the tag automatic cure model. You scroll down, this here for the tag automatic cure operating system. And my operating system for Windows 8, and I'm scroll down, you're looking at the operating system, you click here. This is operating system for the Linux, for the Mac, for the Windows. I am sure for the Mac. This here for Mac version, you click here. This here for no update for driver version for Mac, and new version for Mac, for Mac 12, Mac 11, and Mac 13. Okay, and I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux version not update for version for Mac. If you need to load, you click I'm testing for Fedora 17, and this here for if you need to load, you click here, and you click here start download. Okay, this video I'm need download driver for Windows. I am select operating system for the Windows, and version, you click here. This here for the update for the Windows, and this here for Windows 8 driver download, and this here for Windows 11 driver download, Windows 7 driver download, Windows 9 driver download, Windows 9.1, and Windows Server download. And this video I'm need download driver for Windows 11. Select here for the Windows 11, and you're looking at the release update and new release update for the Windows 11. You scroll down, you're looking the title driver and download, and this here for universal print driver installation package. I am recommendation for you. You download for the package, you look in the release update, and this here for new release update and English support language, and this here for the Windows 11 support new version, and universal print driver. This here for match the support for software, firmware, and driver. If you need to download, you click here, you click here start, you click here start download. This here for driver download. If you need install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer. You turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please while you finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you click here, you click open, or you double click here, and you click back and you click finish. Is here for the tech automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link note below description of video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you next time the video.